Howdy, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. I want to visit with you a little bit today about flat tires and spare tires and what to expect, especially when cold weather comes or hot weather comes. The tires definitely need attention. So with every oil change, we endeavor to check the tire pressure to make sure the tire pressure is where it's supposed to be. You also notice on a lot of the later model vehicles that they have a TPMS sensor on it, which stands for a tire pressure monitor sensor, where the vehicle actually monitors the tire pressure itself, or you can get a digital readout on the dash of what the tire pressures are. But we will often notice, especially when the first cold front of the year comes in, that we have a lot of tires come in that are underinflated because of change of temperature. They lose a little bit of air, especially if they're on an aluminum wheel. So this particular car came in, they'd had a blowout. So one of the questions we get is can I only run my spare tire on the back, or can I run it in any position on the car? The short answer is, as long as this tire is the same size in diameter as the rest of the tires, it can run in any position on the vehicle. Some pickups especially, the spare tire will be much smaller than the rest of the vehicles on the truck, and so in that cases it's a good opportunity to put the smaller tire up front, put the same size of tires on the back where the power comes from, as a temporary solution to get to a tire shop. So one way to tell is to check the numbers. This one here happens to be, it just says inflated 420. It doesn't really say the exact size on it. So then I go and I look right here. Here's the size. It's a 155/70/17. The very last two numbers is actually the diameter of the tire. So this tire is a 17, and as long as the rest of the tires on the car are 17s, then you're good to go in any position. There again, this is a temporary use only, so don't put it on and then think you can drive it until the tread's wore down. It's just to get you to the shop.